Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check out the leftover ISO that was pending in SparkyLinux. So SparkyLinux, we have checked out the major desktops. Only the ISO pending was the Minimal GUI ISO, which contains the OpenBox Windows Manager. So let us check it out. Input your password. I have already installed the SparkyLinux Minimal ISO. The virtual machine is ready for the review. Let us check out the OpenBox Windows Manager. So this is the login screen of the SparkyLinux with OpenBox Window Manager. You have got the Power Manager, the time function, day, date, the basic accessibility features, and the session manager where you can choose the default X session or you can choose the OpenBox. So we will choose the OpenBox session and log in into the SparkyLinux. So we are now logged in into the OpenBox Windows Manager. So this is the desktop and you have got a panel at the bottom. So it is a minimal panel offering minimal features. So on the leftmost you have got this application menu, you have got the file manager, you have got the exec. Let us see what it is. It is a command runner, so you can run your commands from here. Then you have got a desktop switcher. This is the basic file manager, so we can check out. It is a PCman FM, that is the PCman file manager version 1.3.2. it is a lightweight file manager using the libfm version 1.3.2. you can check out the link of this file manager on the sourceforge.net. I will close this. Now first of all, let us adjust the resolution of the desktop. It is right now very odd. Now it is okay. Now I will cancel this. So you can see there is one issue that this application menu is almost screen wide. It should have been confined to the left side or left half side of the screen, not encompassing the whole screen, because this looks very odd and of course the other windows get hidden. So here at the top we can see about SparkyLinux. So let us click on that. So you can see the OS name SparkyLinux 6.4 version, OS code name is Portolo, time and date, architecture 64-bit. you can see the host uptime, kernel is 5.10.16, RAM total 4 GB is there, swap is 0, window manager is OpenBox, local English India, foreign architecture enabled, that is the 32-bit architecture, user, my user ID, and the user groups where I am part of. And there are some links to the home, community, wiki, bugs, sponsoring and donation of SparkyLinux. I will close this. You have got this advanced network configuration. So it's simple. You can just add or remove the connections, either wired or wireless. Both will work here. You have got the Aptos App Center. It is taking some time to launch. Meanwhile, you can check out the customized look and feel. Okay, so Aptos App Center is coming up. So we wait for it and later on we will continue with the customized look and feel. So this is the Aptos App Center. We have checked out the applications, Aptos, search, info, exit. In the desktops, I think we have checked out the major desktops like KDE, then Mate, I think we have checked out. Then Gnome also. Cinnamon is pending. We will check it out. There are a lot of desktops are there. It is very interesting to check out all these desktops. It looks very promising. Some of the desktops are not found in any other Linux distros, like this CD is there, Draco. Then another one was yes, PEC Windows Manager. NSCD is also not seen in any other Linux distro. So I think we should check this out. Then you have got this info, search, and all those functions that we have checked out earlier. So I will exit this. Okay, so we have checked this out in detail in our earlier SparkyLinux videos, so I will not do again. I will close this down. Now let us check out the customized look and feel. So right now the Sparky 6 theme is been used, so we can change over to the Sparky 5. Let us apply the theme and see what changes it makes. Not much is changing in this theme. Okay, so then let us go over to the Relic. Yes, Relic, definitely there is a big change in the panel also. Maybe the icons also will change. No, not to the icons, but panel and the text and everything got changed quite a lot. The Windows decoration also changed. Then this is the Advaita Dark. This is also looking quite good. Let us check out the icons. No, icons is remaining same. We have to change the icons from here. So if the Advaita widget theme is applied, then you have to go for the Advaita icons. So that will match better with the theme. Yes. So now we got a Advaita theme. We can go with the tail icon theme. Let us check out how it applies. So you can see the tail icon theme is now applied. We can go for tail darker because the dark theme has been applied. So we go with tail dark icons. So there should be some effect. Yes, now the little darker icons are there. We can now go with Advaita, and with that we use this thing. We will apply this. It should take some time to apply. Oh yes, now it has been applied. So like this you can change the themes. You can add more themes also here. So we'll go back to the default theme. So I think it was Tela. I think Tela or Tela dark icons were there. So we'll use those. So this takes a little time to apply the complete theme. Yes, now I think it has been applied. So even the mouse cursor can be changed. So use I think 8 mouse cursors are available. You can change the fonts also, and the GUI options are there, like the toolbar style is icon only, or you can have icon with text, icon below the text, text besides the icons. 4 combinations are there, and the toolbar icon size can be changed. So there are I think 6 options for that. Sound effects you can toggle on and off for the system sounds or event sounds. Accessibility features can be enabled, and the colors can be changed for the background and the foreground of the windows. So now what I will do is I will change over, or we will stop here and we will continue with the application menu. So we will check each and every. So we have already seen the file manager. So if you want, we can show you again. So this is the file manager. So we have opened the this menu, application menu can be seen here. Close this down. We will move over to Firefox ESR. So this is a ESR version. Maybe it is 91 or 93 version Firefox. It will take some time to open up. It is 91 ESR version. So it is quite stable. Then let us check out the firewall configuration. So it is that graphical firewall. So you have to just start it on. It will deny all incoming connections and allow all outgoing connections. So that is fair enough for general users. So we'll keep it started, and it will run in background, and in next boot also it will automatically start henceforth. GDB package installer is there. So GDB package installer, you can install any standalone .deb package. So you can install Ubuntu apps, any derivative of Ubuntu or Debian distro can be application or package can be installed using the GDB. You can install any package from third parties also, like Slack, Zoom, all those also offer .deb packages for installation. So you can use GDB for installation. Gexec is to run some commands. Icon browser is there. Image viewer is there. Keyboard and mouse. Logout. Alex terminal is there. So this is the Alex terminal. So it is specially made for the LXDE project. Monitor settings we have seen. Mousepad. Nitrogen, yes. So nitrogen is to be checked out. So this is important. So what I will do is I will just close this down. So with nitrogen we can change the wallpapers. I will cancel this. It is taking some time for cancel. Yes, okay. So it is not going. So what I will do is let us apply this wallpaper. So nitrogen is a wallpaper manager, and I have to close this also, otherwise it will not go away. Let us see how things work. Why it is not going? So you can see this, there are some niggles, there are always some bugs here and there. So we have cancelled this, yet the application menu is not going away. So this is also one kind of bug only, or maybe I don't know exact how to remove this, but it is not going anyway. Yes, now it has got. So you can see this wallpaper has been applied, or we can directly change the wallpaper from here also. You have to go here, select the nitrogen, then apply this wallpaper. So here you can see all the wallpapers that are been applied. So these are SparkyLinux wallpapers that are applied. So go again to the settings, click on nitrogen, apply the wallpaper. So this looks fantastic. Then you can even change to something new. We can go with this, can apply this, then minimize. This also looks good. We can try certainly some more wallpapers. This also looks good. And one final wallpaper. I think this will look good. Yes, this is also looking good. So there are some variety of wallpapers are available. So we will stop here. We will now check out other applications. So this is the notifications. So if you want, you can check this and change the notification. So general notification, application notification, and the log notification. So you can change the behavior, appearance, and animation of the notifications for these three categories given here. And you can also check out the preview. If you change any settings, you can check the preview, so you will know how the settings are going to affect the visual side of the notifications. Then you have got this OpenBox configuration manager. So here you can change the themes. So what I was talking, Sparky 6 is there. So now we can go with the Sparky 5 theme. So you can see the change after some time. So you can apply the theme. Then you can use the Sky Crash theme. You can install new themes. You can create a theme archive. So what you can do is you can change the theme, appearance, windows, all other properties of mouse, desktop, margins, dock, everything, and then you can create a theme archive. So all these settings will be captured in a theme archive from here. Sparkify. So we have got a lot of themes here. Mikachu is there, clear looks, original clear looks, the new clear looks, 3.4 version clear looks, Olive. So many application themes are there. You can choose any one of them. I will close this. Then this is the passwords and keys manager. I don't have right now any password or keys to store. Otherwise we could have gone in detail. PN mixer. So this is the mixer for sound. Then you got the power manager. So you can set the buttons action when power button is pressed, when sleep button is pressed, what to do when hibernate button is pressed, when battery button is pressed, brightness, step counter, status notifications, system tray icons, system sleep mode, many things are there. Print settings are there, so you can configure your printers. You can add printers to your desktop. Also your volume control, QPDF is there, Qt5 settings are there. So these are the Qt5 configuration tool. So you can also set the icon themes, fonts, appearance from here. So the styles are there, clean looks, GTK2, CD, motif, plastic, window and fusion. Style sheets are also there, so you can change the style of the windows. Rise up VPN is available. Then screensaver is also there, so random screensaver is there. Right now the tassel image screensaver is activated. You can do image manipulation, grab desktop images, grab video frames, choose random image as a screensaver. Fading color maps, display power management, text manipulation. You can also display text on the screensaver using the text manipulation. Screenshot tool is there, synaptic package manager is there, system info, system upgrade, task manager, time shift, that is the system restore utility. Tint2 is the lightweight panel that is appearing at the bottom, so it is already there. Otherwise, if it is not there, when clicking on this will make the panel appear at the bottom. Tint2 settings, so these are the settings of the Tint2 panel, and there are themes for the Tint2 panel like this. Right now the Tint2 RC theme is applicable. You can change the themes also, so number of panel themes are available. You can see it here and you can use anyone you like. And then there are properties for the panel like the gradients, background, panel items. You can change the panel items. You can change the way the panel appears on the screen, the geometry like position, monitor, length, compact, size, horizontal margin, vertical margin, scale relative to DPI, scale relative to the screen height, appearance of the panel, everything you can change. Icon opacity, icon saturation, icon brightness, auto height, Windows manager interaction. So a lot of customization is available. Then you can do settings for the taskbar, task buttons, launcher, clock, system tray, battery and tooltip. So a lot of customization and possibilities are there. I will now close this. Then this is the welcome to the SparkyLinux. So we have seen this in last 2-3 videos. I will not go in detail again. This is the X archiver, and you got the yard settings, that is the window dialog window settings. So you can change the settings of the dialog boxes or the dialogs windows that appear during your interaction with the desktop. Let us check out the task manager, that is be interesting. So here you can see 382 or 383 MB of RAM is being used out of the 3927 MB. So just 10% of RAM is being used. CPU usage is less than 1%. 1% is the max usage. So this is the beauty and power of OpenBox. So advanced users who don't like the desktop to come in between their work and themselves, use Windows Manager. Also Windows Manager will speed up the system and it reduces the bugs, because you see the different windows, the configuration settings, everything reduces, so that reduces the chance or probability of any bug being introduced, new or old. Also bugs, there will be very less or almost no bugs, and newer bugs also won't come because there are not many features, not many customizations available, so that reduces the possibility of bugs in the system, and that speeds up your work. Your desktop might look very light and people might think that it doesn't have any features, but it is very fast. Whatever features it has, it works very fast, and more memory can be allocated to the task of the users than the system task. So in big desktops, what happens is large part of the memory is assigned to the system task, and the user task get little less memory. But here maximum memory is allocated to the user task, and the system tasks don't require that much memory itself. So that speeds up the system overall. So with this, I stop the video here. In the next video, we will check out some other Linux distro. I think we should go and check out the OpenMandriva. So there was a bug in the OpenMandriva that prevented us to do the detailed review of OpenMandriva. But I have found a workaround to get the system started. So what was happening is that the virtual console was not letting us boot up into the desktop. So desktop never used to come on the screen. So now I found a workaround in the installer itself. So with that, I can log into the desktop and I can show you the desktop and do the review of the desktop. So see you in the next video with the OpenMandriva. Bye bye.